Hello ma'am, this is Kritik and our project is basically about movie ticket booking app, and I have used C++ in the backend for developing a desktop application, console application for scanning the QR code that is generated from the mobile phone while booking. So this is my app, and I am going to enter the name and password. You could see here the name and the password has been entered, and you could see all the movie list here. You could book your ticket here, and you could see I am booking my ticket here, and I have, you could see my MySQL here, and this is the previous table. So this is my other account named Krutik, and I have booked other ticket for the same movie, and I am booking here. Book your ticket. You could see the ticket has been booked for Pratik, and a code is generated with the current time and with the current seconds and with the name attached to it, and this is the code. And here this is the verified and not verified, or if the person has already entered into the mobile movie using this QR code, then it would be as verified or it would be not verified. And you could go to back, and if the person want to see his QR codes, previous QR codes, he could go here. See, QR code not used means it's not verified. So you could see here, and this show QR code. See, you could see the QR code here. Ma'am, actually I'm using the Android device for SQL, so I am taking the photo of this QR code in my mobile. And now you could see the C++ backend part, and this is the C++ backend part. Actually here I've used two classes. One getting SQL, I mean in this I will the decoded QR code will be sent into the SQL server by request, and it would get the data of the who has booked the ticket and he has entered or not. All the data would become here, and the update means if the person is not entered into the movie with the QR code, then it will update. If the person scans the QR code, it will update into the SQL that the person has entered, and it will be changed as verified. And I have used another class for encoding. I have used a class name encoding, so that the QR code will be decoded in that encoding class, and you would get. And I have used an OpenCV library for scanning the QR, for using the webcam for getting the pictures of the QR code. So I'm going to show you. So this is the QR webcam, and this is the QR code. You could see here, ma'am, 23 June, and these are the hour, minute, seconds, and this is the name, and this is the code that is present in the QR code, which is encoded in the QR code, and I have decoded here. And hi Pratik, welcome to, because I have booked it now itself, and I have not used it previously, so you could see here. And if you see here, it has changed it to verified. If I again use the QR code, it would show me that you have already used the QR code, and so I'm going to test it again. You have already used this QR code, so it's showing like that. If the QR code is not detected, the loop would be run in a recursive manner, so that it would search for a QR code again and again. For, see, here is, there is no QR code, I'm showing something, and see, there is no QR code detected. Again it would be asking for the QR code until the QR code is shown. So this is our project, ma'am. Thank you.